Hello guys, welcome to W Fixing today. So we will be solving the problem Windows 11 or 10 boot repair, that is fix UEFI boot issue on Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7. Okay. So we will be fix this issue by step methods, so you can follow my steps to solve your issues. Okay. So our first method is use startup repair for Windows 11 or 10 and boot repair. So for that what we will do guys is we have to automatic repair our PC. So for that what we will do is I will type here the advanced startup. Okay. So you can type here the advanced startup in the search box and you will find the option that is change the advanced startup options. Okay. Then I will click on that. So you will see the setting that is recovery, reset this PC and advanced startup. So you don't want to check or tap on the get started. So you have to check on the restart now button. Okay. So you have to click on the restart now button. I will click on restart. So it will restart my PC. Okay. So you can see here my PC is being restarted. You can see it's showing that please wait, and it will now open in a boot mode. Okay. So you can see here we are in the boot mode now, and here it's showing that is choose an option. So what we have to choose here is we have to select troubleshoot. Then we have to select advanced options. Okay. Then what we will do is we will click on startup repair so that we can solve the problem. Okay. So I will click on startup repair. So what startup repair will do is startup repair will automatically repair your PC. Okay. It will start your PC again and it will automatically repair your PC. You have to wait a bit to restart your PC. Okay. So for that it will take some time based upon your configuration of your PC. Okay. So you have to wait a bit and it's taking time in front of me. So again we are trying to do a solution, or we are trying to solve this problem by another method. That is directly we have to open our command prompt. Okay. Run diskpart to set. So I will be checking here W fixing because I am entering W fixing. So I will type here the password. Okay. So here you can see I am continuing the startup repair option. And you can see diagnosing your PC. So what's this doing guys? This is doing repairing our PC. Diagnosing your PC means repairing your PC. Okay. So let's complete this process for a while. So it will take a time to complete this based upon your PC's configuration, and we have to wait a bit. So you can see here startup repair couldn't repair PC because I have opened another account. If you go through your main base account, it will repair. Okay. I have a temporary account of W fixing, so it's showing that. So I will click on advanced options, and again what we have to do guys here is we have to enter in the boot mode. Okay. So what we have to open, we have to run diskpart to set partition ID and assign a drive later. So what is this? You don't have to worry about that. So I will show you how to do that. Okay. So first step is click on the troubleshoot here, and you can see here in front of us there is a screen that is troubleshoot and reset this PC. Again we don't want to reset this PC. We have to click on the advanced options. So you can see here the advanced options in front of us. So what we will do is I will open the command prompt as it is. So you can see here we have opened our command prompt. Okay. We have opened our command prompt, and you can see the Microsoft Windows version 10.0.19. So simply I will increase the size of this tab so you can Okay, so you can see the font bigger. Okay, so I will keep it 20. So I think guys you are now able to see the font or text in front of you. Okay, so we will be solving this problem by some commands typing here. So you have to follow my commands, guys. You have to follow my commands as it is. So what we will do is, I will type here, first command is disk part. First command is disk part. So you have to type here disk part and press enter. So it's showing there's Microsoft Diskpart version 10.9 and Microsoft Corporation on computer. So we have in our Diskpart location now. So what we have to do is we have to list our Diskpart. So I will type here list list and then again the disk and click and press enter. So you can see here disk status 01 online. Okay, exactly. So again what we will do is, when the message disk 0 is now selected, so SEL disk 0, what we have to do is SEL disk 0, enter. Disk 0 is now selected disk. Okay, then what we will type here, second step is select volume, list volume, list VOL, press enter. Then again what we will do is SEL VOL to enter. Okay, then again this was our solution, and what I will do is I will simply type here exit to run, exit the run dialog, leaving disk part, and again I will type here exit to exit our command prompt. Okay guys, so this was 2 solutions to solve that problem. Hope you guys find the solution from this. Okay, so it will take the time to restart your PC when you diskpart it or when you apply a disk for it. Okay, so it will restart and you will solve, you will see your problem is solved. So thanks for watching this video guys. Thank you.